Einstein and Bohr plunge physics into 120 years of paranoid delusion with their flawed theories and broken interpretations. For over half a century, the global scientific establishment has been lying to you to protect a multi-billion-dollar empire of ghost physics. Right now, billions of dollars of your public tax money are being systematically wasted on a desperate hunt for non-existent entities. Academics are burning through public funds, searching for WIMPs, axions, string landscapes, dark matter halos, cosmic inflation fields, and unobservable parallel universes. These are not scientific discoveries. These are mathematical patches, epicycles designed to hide a terrifying truth. The foundation of modern physics is broken. Mainstream universities function as a corporate grift. Every single year, hundreds of thousands of PhDs, tenure-track positions, and prestigious titles are granted for writing papers about things that do not exist in physical reality. The system protects its sunk costs through brutal institutional censorship. Open repositories shadow ban independent models. Peer review shields protect the funding of established professors. Brilliant young students are forced to conform. If they dare to question the geometric dogma of empty space, their careers are killed instantly. But the multi-billion-dollar fantasy is over. The revolution did not ask for a university grant. Material space theory has arrived. The definitive 200-page book titled Material Space Theory, The Collapse of the Theories of Einstein, Bohr, and Maxwell is officially published on Zenodo and available on Amazon. The link to buy the book is right now in the video description and pinned in the very first comment. Furthermore, the End of Physics YouTube channel features a complete series of 11 detailed videos fully exploring and explaining every single chapter of the book. This framework treats space as a real, substantive, dynamic medium. Through pure classical fluid mechanics, it achieves a monumental list of scientific triumphs. It derives the entirety of material space theory directly from the fundamental equivalence principle. It derives all local predictions of general relativity, including the Schwarzschild radius, the exact formulas for kinematical and gravitational time dilation, the deflection of light, grazing a star, orbital precession, the photon sphere radius, and the Shapiro time delay. It derives the Tully-Fisher relation to seamlessly explain galaxy rotation curves. It models the dynamics of galaxy clusters and the bullet cluster. It describes black holes completely free of unphysical mathematical singularities. It derives the field equations for gravitational waves, and it establishes a comprehensive cosmology. And it achieves all of this completely without dark matter and completely without dark energy. Furthermore, it derives F equals ma and E equals mc squared without ever invoking an abstract four-dimensional space-time manifold. It derives Coulomb's law, Maxwell's equations, and electromagnetic wave equations. It derives the Schrödinger and Dirac equations, providing a purely classical description of the double-slit experiment, the photoelectric effect, and Compton scattering, all without ever postulating the existence of photons. And finally, it exposes the complete falsehood of the standard interpretations of Bell's inequalities. The academic elite wanted a debate behind closed doors. They will not get one. The video book is streaming globally. The students are watching. They are taking notes. And tomorrow, they will walk into the lecture halls and ask the questions their professors cannot answer. The era of funding ghost physics is dead. Welcome to the end of physics.